All right, guys and gals, what's going on? Welcome back to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel. My name is Houston Kilby, and we got a little project for y'all today. So today's episode is brought to you by Plum Quick Motors. They make golf cart motors for electric golf carts and all kinds of components for electric golf carts. You can get batteries from them, you can get controllers, you can get motors, you can get switches. I mean, it's really good company to work with. So let's talk about our problem we have with our cart, and let's get on into it here. All right, so what's the problem with the cart? Right now it has the original motor and stuff in this thing, and what we are wanting to do is we need this thing to be a little bit faster. We also need more torque out of this thing. There's certain times that we need to push our race car and stuff back to the pits, and where we race at, it's normally really flat, so you just need something to just get you pushed back to home base sometimes. And the cart just didn't have enough oomph. The weird thing was we had brand new batteries in it. The cart was in really good shape, but it just didn't have much power at all. And so we called up our friends at Plum Quick Motors and talked with them about what all we had going on, and they suggested a motor to us. So let's open this box up. I'll show you guys what it is we're going to be putting in this thing. Alrighty guys, we just got our new motor for our golf cart. This is from Plum Quick Performance that you guys see this thing down in here. Super excited about this. Oh yeah, it's packaged up real good. Check that thing out down there. Brand new motor for this thing. We'll get this bad boy out. Let's get it put in our golf cart. All right guys, I just want to go over some of the specs on this motor. We did get the Grizzly Club Cart Series motor. That's one thing you guys need to check with. Make sure you got a series motor or what type of setup you got. But this thing is a huge increase in torque, and it's like a 15 horsepower type of motor. So it's pretty strong, pretty stout, and a pretty dang good unit for our application. All right, so Plum Quick has a bunch of different options of motors that you can go with. The one we went with is a pretty beefy little motor here, but if you're just needing to do a stock replacement, they do offer rebuild services, so you can literally send them your existing motor that you have, and they can rebuild it at a very affordable price. So a little quick tip there as well. Alrighty guys, so make sure you label your battery cables before you disconnect things. You need to actually disconnect them from the battery on the battery side, and you need to disconnect your controller and stuff as well. Oh my goodness. So you guys are aware, if you can't see it, that thing is heavy. All the bolts that are in it are 7/16 bolts, except for this one. This one here was a 1/2 inch bolt, but be careful. You go to slide this thing back, it will mash your fingers. Be careful, and motors are very heavy. Let's get this deal out of here, and let's get a new one put in this bad boy. Oh, that's the beast. Alright guys, so we just got our old motor pulled out. I thought I'd show you guys what this thing looks like here. And you know, it's just one of the things you need to make sure with is look at your splines and stuff that's on these things to make sure the motor you're getting will fit up with what you got there. But this motor just didn't have much life left in it, and it was time for a replacement, and that's what we're about to do here. Hey Jesse, pick up that old motor. It's in there.
Yeah, buddy. And lift. And lift. That's there a bit of 100 pounds right there, man. Just
oh my gosh. Jesse, tell them when we took that motor off, what I done.
You smashed your fingers once you done. You lifted when it come out of that daggum housing, it just dropped. Right on your
dropped.
fingers.
I was like, oh. Yeah, guys, those things are heavy. Be careful.
Yeah, they're heavy little suckers.
That's it, guys. All right, guys, so it says to put some grease up in there. It's like that. I'll put some on the splines. Oh, yeah. Should be good to go. All right, so we're getting this deal tightened up right now. Boom. And boom, you guys see your hardware there. It literally bolts right back together the same, and then there's a bolt down there, and that's all it takes to take this thing off and on there. Right, so we labeled all of our wires and stuff, and we got them all hooked back up where they go, and we made sure to label ours and stuff as well when we went to pull them off and then put them back on. This motor is just a little bit longer than what the stock one is. On my cart, these carryalls, the frame on them is a little bit thicker than most carts, and we had to notch the frame back here and notch a bracket down there as well, just so we could slip the motor in. Once we got slipped in, everything cleared and was all that good shape. It was just so we could clearance it just to get the splines on, just as a heads up for folks. All right, so it's time to test drive this thing. Let's get in it, see how it does. All right, forward, turn the key on. Now it's go time, guys. Hey, I can already tell a big difference right now. That's pretty nice. Shoot, shit.
Let's go fight some crime. We got our one bullet loaded already. We got it in my shirt pocket.
Somebody's got to do it.
Every time.
Houston, you got headlights?
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, yeah,
Jesse,
man.
got us a decent little cart now, man.
We're cruising, bro.
Got us a brand new motor on, man.
Yeah, man.
Shoot, yeah.
What's the name of this company?
This is Plum Quick Motors, dude.
That'll work. Yeah, guys, look them up. They're pretty good at building electric motors for these little carts. And this is an older one, too. This is what, early 2000 model one?
Exactly a 2000 model, dude.
Okay, so it's right out of 2000 model, and they're still selling parts for them, so.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This thing's zipped along pretty good.
Yeah, a little zoomer, man.
I'm gonna hit this straightaway back here behind the school and see what
That'll
that
work.
does. Alright, Jesse, we're gonna do a dead stop on this deal.
That's it.
We'll see how it runs, okay?
About to have a blue streak behind us.
That's it. Alright. It's definitely a lot quicker than our other one was.
Real, I never rode it with the old motor.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. As long as it'll pull the car, that's all that matters. I don't care. It don't have to be fast, as long as it'll pull the car.
Gosh, at least we can get to the top end a whole lot quicker. than
Exactly.
what it was before. My goodness.
Yeah, man.
All right, guys, so Plum Quick Motors for the win, dude. Jesse,
Hey, okay, man. They done a good job, bro.
this little cart would run circles around our gas-powered one.
110%, exactly.
Oh
dude.
my gosh, man, that was a big.
As long
big
as it
change.
does, you know,
Our A to B, what we need.
and pulls the car when we need it, that's all this cart needs to do. And
all
be
we
less
need.
drama. That's
Less
all
drama.
we want.
That's it. But yeah, guys, that's it for us. Be sure to check out Plum Quick Motors there. Appreciate those guys a bunch
Yeah,
for hooking
man.
us up with the motor for this thing. And that helped us out a bunch. So yeah, guys, we're getting on out of here. We got a lot more stuff coming y'all's way. Y'all just stay tuned, and Jesse, send them off.
As always, like and share, like and share. Let's all have a party in the comments section, man.
That's it. We'll see you guys in the next one. All right, guys, I want to give y'all a little bit of a sneak peek of what's going on the GTO. We've been doing a lot of content creating here with VFN, working with them, working with Ames Performance. Going to show you guys some more stuff here in just in a second.
Yeah.
All right, guys, working on GTO right now. I've got Jesse on the 55. It's been a Pontiac day.
All about the Pontiacs, man. I'm about sick of them.
I found that you really like putting Pontiac headers on, that's for sure.
Oh, Lord. You Pontiac boys, you've all got some issues, man.
Yeah, Pontiac headers ain't no joke. You think a small block Chevrolet's bad, put a set of Pontiac headers on. Shoot.
When it comes to headers, just put me on a 302 Ford. I'm fine. And I'm a bow tie man.
Yeah, big block Chevrolet. Let's stick to that or Hemi.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, all right. So we're working on my car. Jesse's working on the 55. I got the grill and stuff mounted. It's done. Now I'm working on the headlights. I've got that side over there mocked up and tacked in. Jesse, it turned out pretty trick looking.
Yeah, man, I like it. Them lights are going to turn out good, man.
They're pretty. They kind of got that transformer look to them a little bit.
Yeah, they're white. They're different looking, especially when they get some glow in them.
I think when they turn on, they do this.
Oh man, that'll be trick, dude.
Kind of like a loading deal. I'm just wanting to do something different. Everybody does the same thing. These kind of got a crazy look to them. If I don't like them, we'll put T3s back in it or something.
Yeah, exactly.
But I think those are going to look pretty cool. I'm cutting these holes out right now. It's pretty simple. You just drill a hole in and start cutting with a little sawzall blade and getting after it. So that's what we're doing now. I was happy with the way the grills turned out. Those turned out pretty true.
Yeah, that's sharp.
Modifications to get all that stuff to fit, but it worked pretty good. So we're getting there, guys. One piece at a time, and we'll keep on rocking here.
Yeah, man.
All right, guys, just want to kind of show y'all what some of this is looking like here. We got a few companies we need to give a shout out to. Definitely a big shout out to Plum Quick. They sponsored today's episode. Ames Performance, DRP Products, and especially Senzilla.com as well. We've got a lot of great companies on board. We've got more coming on board as well that I can't even say anything about just yet. But we got some really cool stuff happening for this season. We're about to be racing here in just in a couple of weeks, so hold on, guys.